Good evening students, welcome to our Day Education Foundation Maharashtra. Today we are going to learn standard second geometrical shapes, spiral, cone, cuboid and cylinder. So edges and corners. Now we'll start. So first our goal is student will be able to recognize and correctly name the sphere, cone, cuboid and cylinder shapes. Describe properties. Next, students will connect these shapes to real world objects, improving their abilities to recognize the 3D shapes in everywhere. So, students will improve spatial thinking by visualizing, drawing and manipulating 3D shapes. Okay, now geometrical shapes are solid figures that have length, width and height. Okay, now so first shape is sphere shape. This shape is sphere. This shape is sphere. Okay, now sphere, the round surface of a round object is spherical. Okay, for example, sphere shape is ball, football, ball, football. For example, ball and football. This shape is sphere. This shape is sphere. Okay, now next is, this shape is cone. This is a cone shape. Okay, it is called cone. It has one circular face. It has one circular face and 0 edges and 1 vertices. 0 edges, 0 edges and 1 corner, 1 vertex. Okay, ice cream cone. For example, ice cream cone, mehendi cone are some examples of cone shapes. Okay, ice cream cone. Yes, ice cream cone. Yes, it is a cone shape. Cone shape. Okay, this figure is cone shape. Now next, this is cuboid shape. This is cuboid shape. It has 12 edges. It has 12 edges and 8 corners. 12 edges and 8 corners. 8 vertices and a flat surface. So 12 edges and 8 corners. For example, box has 12 edges, 8 corners. Okay, brick has 12 edges and 8 corners. So, for examples in box and brick. This is called cuboid shapes. Okay, now next is, it is cylinder shape. This is cylinder shape. The base of cylinder is circular and the surface is curved. The surface is curved. So is curved. Okay. So example, gas cylinder, tiffin box, paints, candles. So it is a cylinder shape. This is a cylinder shape. So gas cylinder, candles, tiffin box and paints. It's a cylinder shape. Okay. Now in MCQs. So first question is, which shape has 2 flat faces and 1 curved surface? Cone, cylinder, sphere, cuboid. Yes, 2 flat surfaces. Yes. And 1 curved surface is cylinder. Okay. How many edges does a cuboid have? 12 edges. Cuboid have 12 edges and 8 corners. Next question. Which shape has a circle at the bottom and a point at the top. Cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Yes, cone. Cone has a circle at the bottom and a point on the top. Okay. Now next question. Fourth question. Yes, a sphere has how many faces? One curve. Only. 0 faces, 2, 6, no. Only one curve. A cone has how many faces in total? Yes, one flat and one curve. A cone has one flat and one curve. Next, another example. Which shape has 6 rectangular shape faces? Which shape has 6 rectangular faces? Cuboid. Cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. Next is, what shape do you get if you roll a cylinder? Yes, it rolls. Yes, it's really easily. No, it does not roll. Only on flat surface. No. Yes, it rolls. It is a roll of a cylinder, rolling shapes. Next is 8 questions. Which shape has a flat circular base on no corners? Cylinder shapes has flat circular base and no corners. Next question. A sphere can roll because it is round and on all sides. It is round on all sides. So a sphere can roll because it is round and all side. Okay. Next 10th question. A cuboid is a different from a cube. A cuboid is a different from a cube because not all sides are equal. Not sides are equal. It has no more. First option is it has no more faces. Second option is not all sides are equal. Third is it is round and it has no edges. So B option is correct. Not all sides are equal. Now next is, how many curved surface does a cone have? It is a homework. So take all of you screenshot and solve it. Yes. First question is, how many curved surface does a cone have? Second question is, which shape has only curved surface and no flat surfaces? Next is, what shape does a soft ball look like? Next is, which shape has both flat and curved surfaces? Next is, which shape has 8 corners and 6 faces? And last is, thank you. So all of you screenshot it and solve it. Okay. Thank you.